welcome to the Griffin Loft, and today we're going to be another unboxing and review. What we're going to be doing today is something kind of cool and interesting. It is a paper airplane calendar. Yeah, that's right, a paper airplane calendar, guys, so check it out. So it's 300 plus plain designs. It's folded day 2001 calendar of a fleet of exciting designs, 7 by 3/4 by 6-inch paper, custom graphics for each day's plane. And then on the back you see some of the graphics and stuff like that. Well, let's get the box open here and have a look inside. And as you can see, it comes in a nice cellophane wrapper there. It's got a little bit of extra cardboard in the back. Oh, and then the box turns into a display. There's a whole fold out for it. So yeah, I'm gonna give this paper a little slit and pull one of these out to have a look at it. I'm gonna try and not open it too much because it's not actually mine. My roommate got it for Christmas and told me to use it for a review on my channel, so I don't want to spoil his fun, if you know what I mean. So we'll get one from the back here. Okay, maybe we'll get one from the front. Hold on, guys. So, there's the back of January 2nd, Saturday, Sunday, and, oh, there's 2 here, sorry. So, oh, there's 3 here. So, there's a few different ones here for you guys to see. So, they're all different planes, and then the design, as you can see, how to fold this plane is on the next day. So, like this plane is right here, and then this plane is right here. It's kind of cool. But yeah, there's 300 plus of those in there, and each day it's a different plane design with, see the Concords even in there somewhere. Different plane design with full color graphics, and as you see, one day's plane is, you're showed how to fold it the next day, which is kind of cool, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this stuff out of it. There. And there we go. So that's the package. We'll seal it back up. And there you go, guys. 2001 paper airplane fold-a day calendar. And the back says, full hundreds of planes for an inviolable aeronautical fleet in 2001. Paper airplane engineers Kuyong Lee and David Mitchell combine forces to present 300 plus designs from 40 original models based on real-life military planes such as MiGs, fighter jets, and drones, plus commercial aircraft and others for a year's worth of flying fun. Don't throw away yesterday's calendar page. Instead, flip it over for airplane artwork, then fold it using the step-by-step instruction on today's calendar page. It's made by Andrews McNeil Publishing, and it runs for about $22 Canadian. There you go, guys. So that's the 2001 Fold-A Day paper airplane calendar. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, guys. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed my videos. Also, if you enjoyed them, give them a thumbs up. And if you'd like to know when I upload videos, hit the bell icon. And the only other thing I have to say, guys, is remember, don't let the zombies get you. Bye for now.